The vehicle taken off the AR-15 is white. Picture yesterday. It says JSHUEBN on construction and sun on the side. It's a Ford white. Vehicle's pulled out of the lot. Now just took off.
What's the direction? What direction?
Heading here. Townsend.
Direction and flash, please.
Utility truck is turned up towards, give me a second, the boulevard. He just turned up McNulty towards the boulevard. Yellow banner, orange shirt, he's got goatee mustache. Fire station today, we have an assist. Please loading.
What's the location? 833. What kind of white vehicle is it?
833. Tell me what's going on out there.
32.
832. Are you injured?
Utility truck, white. We just turned on the Southampton going towards the boulevard. I believe 32 is still behind him. The weapon came from. Yes, we have Southampton towards the boulevard.
Are you following this male 832?
Behind him. Toward the boulevard. He's trying to take off. I'll let you know. Looks like he's going to be going. I got him pinned in. He's driving up on the grass.
Right on the grass, Southampton and the boulevard.
North or south?
Do I have units starting in?
What's the vehicle look like?
A white utility truck in Salem. It's got an orange drum in the back. It's got construction equipment. It has something and sons on the side.
7 command, break it off.
7 command, break off the pursuit. Command, break the pursuit off.
How's that for Salem?
We're going to notify Ben Salem.
Acknowledge 7 command's order, immediately pull over.
832, do you receive?
32, he just pulled into the Wawa parking lot. So what is it? Disregard, he is now in the Wawa parking lot.
Location of that parking lot.
Oh, what's he want it for?
Somebody want for gunshot?
R15.
AR-15. He's going to be in the Wawa parking lot. What's the location of that parking lot?
It's at the city border.
So what's the location?
Sure.
Chamonix Airport. After the Chamonix Airport. Charlie 8.
Airport.
Charlie 8.
What does he want it for?
The male is loaded with the AR-15. Loaded AR-15.
Okay, let's try and secure perimeter around that male. Anybody with a long gun, start in, notify SWAT of what we have. I'm going to be monitoring. 7 command, start in personally.
I did what you received?
Man. Yeah. 102 en route.
102, okay.
We got AirTac 1 in the air to make sure we can secure this vehicle. Again, everybody make sure they have cover and concealment. Get any civilians out of the way.
You road. You were confirming this male is armed, right?
Correct. The male is armed with the AR-15.
Told me he threw the weapon into the truck, started screaming, jumped in the truck, and took off. The weapon had a full mag.
Everybody use caution.
Sam, 7705. I just turned on the Concord Road from Old Lincoln Highway. 833, I'm behind him.
Is this male moving again?
38, okay, if you're behind them, use caution, initiate a felony car stop when you have enough resources to do so.
PDA.
Do you have any other units on location with this male?
Road. We're on Sussex Road.
Is this male moving again?
Car 4, that's correct.
We're on Sussex Road.
32, I lost him. I'm breaking it off.
Buckfield Road. Buckfield Road.
Buckfield Road.
Charlie, if that's 4, let's get him some resources.
They're on the way, sir. It's going to be a white utility van.
R4, tell me what you need, Commissioner.
I just need a Benson police. The guy's armed with an AR-15. We're going to stay with him.
Will do, sir.
Charlie 8, I understand. I'm going to try and get you a bird up in the air, sir. Charlie 8, go over J. John Band, make it a priority, get us a bird up in the air.
J. John Band is in with us, sir.
Going into a dead end. This complex is a dead end he's in.
Car 4, what's your location?
In Garfield. Where's the commissioner?
What's your location, Car 4?
833. It's Greystone Road in Bensalem. Greystone Road.
Greystone Road in Bensalem. Greystone Road in Bensalem.
Alright, what's the location? Greystone and where?
Well done.
1 Greystone Road. It's new construction radio.
Greystone Road. Do we have eyes on Car 4?
100 Greystone Road.
Foot pursuit.
Car 4 is in service.
833 is in the works. Orange shirt. Headed toward the Shining Interplex.
Germany. Enterprise.
Close for here. He's out the left arm. So there's a few ones see if I can find the car. $833, we don't know if he has any other weapons on him.
Two units, that's for the vehicle.
Charlie 8, let's start setting up a perimeter if we can. Let's go to northeast band and as far south as east band, long gun officers only.
Okay, man, I'm setting that up now.
K102, what's the stage?
The stage inside the township.
Charlie, I'm on the phone with Bensalem right now.
4.
We get some cars over to the Shining Interplex.
We're going to stage an area?
What do you want? We're in the Interplex.
33. 33, you have eyes on Car 4?
Officers here. All right, we're at the Interplex on the east side. 732, I'm here with a vehicle. Do we have the commissioner?
Trying to raise him now. Anybody has eyes on Car 4?
Starting in the woods.
The man is in the woods. Does anyone have eyes on Car 4?
The mount down with the gun. Do we have the R-15?
Does the guy still have the AR-15 on him? Car 4.
At 833, do you have eyes on Car 4?
Car 4 and air Car 4.
I don't see him yet. I have the AR in the truck.
Nothing in the truck. Give me a better description on this mail. A better description on this mail we're looking for. And
He's got 5'8", orange shirt, tan shorts, khaki. He's got a close cut beard, mustache, brown hair. He's about 35 to 36 years of age, white male.
Car 4 there, created car 4.
31. I got car 4. Have 833 turn the siren off. 833 per car 4. Have him turn the siren off.
Okay, we start car 4.
How's the weapon? It was full loaded magazine and it's another one.
The armored car is en route. They do have the AR-15. They have position in AR-15.
731. We're going to be in the woods, 100 yards from where the vehicle crashed. It's going to be probably south. We don't know. There's a creek here. We don't know if he crossed the creek yet and got on the other side into the interplex.
And they would have a staging area for everybody to meet up at.
Something back in. We have somebody check the correct construction site to make sure no one was shot.
Okay, I know you got a lot going on. Touch base with Ben Salem, please, and have them help us set up a perimeter.
Guys, in the Chamonix, Ben Salem says they're sending everybody in there for you.
Be northbound on the boulevard, coming a distance from Broad Street. Charlie 8, now we have the weapons secured. We can resume all non-SWAT long guns. Resume all non-SWAT long guns.
33.
Charlie 8, all non-SWAT long guns can resume. All non-SWAT long guns can resume.
815. Can we repeat the flash on the cycle?
Potato 4 Northeast, we have a staging area.
Alright, be advised, Data 4 Northeast, we got Ben Salem on the line that's saying somebody from SEPTA is confirming that they have car 4 with them. Do we have car 4?
Correct, so they already came over here. They do have car 4.
Trying to contain this perimeter down here by the creek, in the woods.
I got Ben Salem police showing up. They're sending everybody they got. Will we? 100 yards into the wood by the Chamonix Interplex, correct?
731. It's going to be 100 yards in from that new development. I think it's going to be going south into the woods, into the interplex.
Thanks.
833.
Alright, we're going to have a stage at the Chamonix Interplex. I got Sam 1 on J-Band. Wants to know where we're going to stage at.
Leave the scene there. We need a staging area. ASAP.
D3.
Area health building in the interplex. Been a witness. There's a possibility he may have entered a car and fled.
Southampton, the mail here confirmed the operator was picked up in a silver small SUV. It was about 20 minutes ago, and they went westbound on Southampton from here.
Deborah.
Deborah.
Sure, 15, I'm not sure. Radio, I'll swing back around and see if we can get some information, additional info on the tag or the vehicle.
And just to repeat, it's 29 Devereaux Avenue, zip code of 19149. We sent information to PACES for any and all vehicles registered to all parties.
Devereaux is the location for sister, correct?
That's correct.
In Tom 4, he's in the house. 20. I got the mail from the 8th district in the house. Over here, folks. I need a car in the back. I need a car in the front.
15 Tom.
In the rear.
15 Tom 4, what's your location?
15 Tom 4, this is a 6.
Location 15 Tom 4. For your location.
That's the back door coming out to you.
15 Tom 4.
15 Top 4, what's the location?
429. Devereaux.
Devereaux, assist the officer, police by radio. Devereaux, assist the officer, police by radio.
I'll with my partner. He never made it out of the rear. Everybody go to the front.
Okay, units in reference to this is 20 everywhere. Head to the front.
Guys, go to the front.
Got it. 20, I'm at the front. Have 12 be advised of what's going on.
Hey, Northeast, what mail is this he's talking about that was in there?
Tom 4. I have the mail in custody, 29 for the 8th District job. Tell me assist. I got him in custody.
Back to my correspondence. 15 Davroni is just, it's under control. 20 Davro is under control. Charlie 8, read the 8th District Supervisor.
District Supervisor.
Seventh Command, Charlie 5 is going to call him.
Charlie 8 to Charlie 5. Okay, we're going to start breaking down this operation from a patrol standpoint. So, other than those personnel who have specific information to give the detectives, all other patrol personnel can resume patrol.
Man, okay. Charlie 5 got that.
Man, thanks. And again, Charlie 8 again, good job by all the people in far northeast.